Are you ready to build strength but not sure where to start? Strength training goes beyond just lifting weights. It's about systematically challenging your body, building a solid foundation, and then using a strategic approach to take your gains to the next level. Hi everyone, this is Bala. In this series, we'll be diving into comprehensive training approaches that help you unlock your fitness potential. Today, we're focusing on strength training, how to lay that strong foundation, why it's important, and how periodization can help you break through plateaus and achieve your ultimate goals. Now, what is strength training? Strength training is about resistance, using weights or force to build strength, improve endurance, and increase power. It's more than just picking up a dumbbell. It's about challenging your muscles with progressive overload using different tools like free weights, machines, or even body weight exercises. Now, before we dive into advanced techniques, remember a solid foundation is key. Now, talking about the science behind strength training, let's talk about why strength training works so effectively. Number one, muscle fiber activation. Strength training activates two types of muscle fibers, that is your slow twitch fibers for endurance and fast twitch fibers for power and strength. The more you progressively overload your muscles, the more you're forcing your body to adapt by increasing both muscle size and strength. Second, neurological adaptations. Strength training doesn't just build muscle, it also enhances the connection between your brain and your muscle. Neurological adaptation leads to more efficient movement patterns and greater muscle recruitment, improving both strength and coordination. This means your body becomes more effective at using the muscle fibers it has, helping you lift heavier, faster, and with more precision. Now, third, hormonal responses. Strength training leads to the release of key hormones such as testosterone, growth hormone, and many more, which plays a critical role in muscle growth. This hormonal boost contributes to muscle repair and regeneration, allowing for faster recovery and continued progress. In fact, the study done by McGuane and team in 2012 has shown how intensity and volume are crucial to stimulating these hormonal responses. Now, let's talk about benefits of strength training. Why should you prioritize strength training in your fitness routine? Here are a few reasons. Number one, increased muscle mass. As you build muscle, you increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Now, more muscle equals more calorie burn even at rest, which means it's effective for keeping a leaner physique. Second, joint health and injury prevention. Strength training builds not just muscles, but also the tendons and ligaments around your joints, improving stability and reducing the risk of injuries. Third, improved performance. Strength training is foundational for all other activities, whether it's running, cycling, or sports. The stronger your muscles, the better your performance in all areas of fitness. How to implement strength training and periodization. Now that we know why strength training works, let's talk about how to incorporate it in our routine. Start with the basics. For beginners, focus on learning the fundamental movement patterns such as a squat, a deadlift, and some presses. Master these before moving to other movements and exercises. This will help you build a solid foundation. Second, progressively overload. Gradually increase the weight or reps you're using. As your strength improves, your training should reflect that with continuous progression. Number three, incorporate periodization. Periodization involves varying the intensity, training volume, and a few other variables of your workout over time. This strategy keeps your muscles challenged and helps you avoid plateaus. For example, you can follow a linear periodization model where you gradually increase the intensity and decrease the volume with moving into subsequent weeks. Or an undulating periodization where the intensity changes more frequently throughout the week itself. This keeps your body adapting and ensures consistent progress. Finally, recovery. We should not underestimate the importance of rest. Your muscles grow stronger during recovery, but not during the workout itself. Ensure adequate rest between training sessions to allow your body to repair and rebuild. To sum it up, strength training is a powerful tool that builds muscle, improves endurance, and enhances your overall performance. But it all starts with a solid foundation, mastering the basics, and then progressively overloading your muscles from there and integrating periodization to your program so that the results will further enhance. Strength training is an investment in your future fitness, helping you unlock your potential and set the stage for long-term success. Whether you're a beginner or experienced athlete, it's never too late for you to start. With the right approach, your strength gains can become the foundation for all your fitness goals. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with others who want to step up their training. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore how mobility training can help unlock your body's full potential. Keep lifting and see you in the next one.